Well, I tell you, these hair companies come up with everything now.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Living Irving. This is your girl Tanya. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I love to talk about traction, alopecia, hairstyles, balding, thinning edges, and of course, if you have fine, thin hair like myself. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, it will be another bun and bangs video. This is the style Dani, and it is in the color 1B. And I'm just gonna put my hair in the highest that I want, because I want this bun to be high. And this literally takes 5 minutes, and I am not going tight at all. 3 little turns, and that's it. Sticking it in a little bun like so. Well, I tell you, these hair companies come up with everything. Now look at this. I kind of messed her up. Look at this. It's all attached. So this is the bun. It's like a little hard hollow bun inside. It has a tuck comb on the back of it and a tuck comb on the front. And the bang is attached to the bun. And it has one clip right here, and then as you can see, it's long on the sides. This is synthetic, so you cannot use heat on this here or you'll melt it. So we're just gonna go ahead, and I wish I had some chopsticks, because this just reminds me of like something Japanese. So I'm just trying to, this is a different type of bun that I'm dealing with here. So let me go ahead and attach it like so. And then I'm going to secure the bang down like that. I put the bangs on, and this is not going to work for my edges because you can still see a problem over here. So what I'm gonna do to fix that is I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Quick Cover Root Touch-Up Spray, and this is in the color Natural Black, and I am just going to, today I am going to just be spraying today. So I like to just go ahead and take a little piece of paper and protect my ears and stuff like that. Take the product very well. Move it a couple of inches away and spray. Okay. And I'm gonna move it down just a little bit just to get those edges. Now I have a harsh line of demarcation. That doesn't look too bad. I think it turned out cute. Let me turn around. So yeah, I had to work with that spray a little bit, but I think the ponytail looks cute. I love the China vibe that it's giving, or the Japanese vibe. I wish I had some chopsticks to put in the hair. These are temporary hairstyles, guys, so be gentle to your hair, be good to your edges, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.